Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make a simple website using Hugo, a popular static website generation tool. I'm Tech Tweedy, let's get started. First of all, let's transition across to my developer machine. Here it is. I'm just going to sign in and I'm going to open up PowerShell, and the first command I'm going to run is winget install Hugo.Hugo.Extended. Just wait for that to download and install. Then we're going to close PowerShell and reopen it again. And we're going to type Hugo version. And this just makes sure we've got it installed and that no errors have happened. Fantastic. If you do get errors when you try that step, check the location of where Hugo has been installed and check your environment variables on your Windows machine and align them up so that you're able to access it. Next, I'm going to open PowerShell again just to make sure that Hugo is installed. I'm going to do that by typing Hugo -version, and there you go, it's come back and told me it's installed. Next, I'm going to move across to my dev folder. And inside my dev folder, I'm going to run this command, which is Hugo new site, my new site. What this has done is it's created a new site for me. Next, I'm going to change into that directory. And then I'm going to do a git initialize. Fantastic. Next, I'm going to add the submodule for PaperMod, which will be my theme. Just going to paste that in. Just going to clone that down. Fantastic. And then finally, before I go and change some settings, I'm just going to create two posts. Post number 1 and post 2. Brilliant. They've all been created now. So I'm going to close PowerShell down. Next, I'm going to open up Visual Studio Code. I've already got this set to open up my dev folder. And next, I'm going to check out my content. So I've got two posts inside of a folder called Posts. Post number 1, post number 2. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change this draft to false. And save. And save that. Now go back to post 1. I'm going to put some content on. So this you could just write in Markdown. Let's change my keyboard to the UK. Going to save that one, and then the second one, I've got some demo post. And this shows you some of what Hugo is able to do. Fantastic. So I've saved both of those. Close them all down. Next, I'm going to add my theme to my Hugo file. Save that. Next, I'm going to right click and select Open in Integrated Terminal. I'm then going to type Hugo server. As you can see, it started my server there. I'm going to click on this link. And up pop my site. If I click on post 1, hello world. If I click on post 2, you can see all these headings and content I've added in. Images and script. I'll just show you that side by side. You can see that Hugo is able to render Markdown. So if you're familiar with writing Markdown, Hugo is really quite helpful. Finally, we're going to output the site. And to do that, we just do Control-C, and then we type Hugo. And the site has now been output to the public folder. So if you were to take that and upload it, you'd be able to run it. Thank you very much. Have a good day.